What's up YouTube, and welcome back to a new video. People really seem to love those kind of renders, so today we're gonna learn a new technique on how to do it. You know the drill by now. Let's go. Let's create a plane. Shift A, mesh, plane. Tap to edit. Right click, subdivide once. Tap to exit. Let's go into modifier properties and add a sub-D surface. Let's go to 3, 4. Now let's add a solidify modifier. Increase the thickness. Let's add a bevel modifier. In the amount, let's add 0.004. We can collapse the modifiers. And let's add a simple deform. Let's increase the angle, maybe 74. Duplicate. Reduce the angle to 30. And let's start moving things around a little bit. Add another one, rotate. Right click, shade smooth on all of them. Select all of them as Control A S. Now let's work on the lighting. I'm going to use EasyHDRI and I'm going to use one of my HDRI I provided. I will drop a link in the comment. Background display, solid, black. As for the shader, I will use Disperse Glass Shader by Atti. I really like what this person is doing. I will drop a link of his YouTube channel in the comments, as well as his Gumroad. I will strongly advise you to join his Discord because he's sharing all of these files here, and there's so much really cool materials and techniques to learn from. So I just apply his glass shader, and this is how it looks out of the box. So we're gonna tweak a few things. For roughness, we're gonna go with 0.1. And we have those really nice reflection we're looking for and the dispersion effect that is happening around the edges. I just want to tweak one thing with the geometry. Something is bothering me here. So I'm going to move the solidify before the subdivision. And I will disable the bevel. I will also increase the solidify value, something like 0.2. The other method works, but I kind of like this result a little bit better. Something you can do with his material is to dive one level deeper, and to do that, you just click on the node group here and hit tab. And you will basically see how he's making his glass shader. It's a very simple setup. The fun thing we can play with is actually the colors. So if I go into my camera view and enable my preview, but I want to start tinting that a little bit. And instead of the red, I'm going to introduce some pinks. I'm going to rotate my HDRI a little bit. And I'm going to go with 60 degrees on the Z axis. And maybe I'm going to increase the strength by 2. I'm going to open a new window here. The window on the left is going to help me for the preview, and the window on the right will help me for the composition. Also, I'm creating the thumbnail of this video, so I'm going to use a 1080p resolution. I can also use that for a wallpaper if I want to. I'm going to speed up the video, and the only thing I'm going to do is either duplicate, move, rotate, and scale the object we just created. I'm pretty happy with that composition, and you can spend as much time you want and need to really find and balance the colors, the shapes, and the reflections. I'm gonna speed up the video one more time so you can see what my process looks like when I want to create a few other variations. Thank you so much for following the video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. As usual, please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. That will show me you want more bangers video in the future. I really hope to see you in the next one.